pains me when I recall how my father was hired in a construction company that did not offer him the protective gears. This led to him contracting a respiratory disease by the name asthma. We rushed him to the nearest hospital, where we were met by yet another tragedy. The hospital did not have the required protective gears. They just kept him in a ventilator, where he eventually died.
Do not worry. There is need to address problems like environmental degradation, in pollution, in addressing technological gaps in health sectors. On the other hand, there have been pollution in environment by solid waste from electronics and other industrial sectors. Air pollution in farms, construction sites, and industrial process are threats to human health.
Do we have a solution that can decrease the cause of deaths due to these problems?
Yes, we do. As young entrepreneurs who see market opportunity in existing problems, having a certain solution to address the mentioned problems using homemade respirator from
Waste to Gold.
This is a respiratory aid device that has a number of applications in the field of medical, agriculture, mining, and building and construction industries.
Well, the device is composed of 3 different selective filtration chambers: 10 mm sievers filter, 3 mm electrostatic filter, and chemical filtration chamber. The first sievers chamber selectively filters out any solid and nanoparticles in the air. The second chamber of electrostatic filter and chemical filter eliminates any suspected microorganisms in the filtered air.
It's a homemade ventilated respirator made from locally assembled materials, which are the diver's torch bag, the aerial booster, the washing machine pad, and the electrostatic apparatus.
Not forgetting about our market target is segmented into 5. We have the medical personnel, we have the mining industry, whereby we consider people working, for example, in Mombasa cement. We have the construction industry, we have the agrochemicals, whereby we consider farmers who are spraying chemicals, and lastly we have the household. In this field of respirator is used as a protective gear to protect the user from polluted and contaminated air.
And so, how competitive is our device?
Our device is made up from locally assembled materials. The materials can be recycled and reused. Unlike other respirators from the market, this homemade respirator is used in different uses. It is used in medical, agricultural, and also in industrial uses. This respirator can be used by medical personnel, social workers, healthy workers, and among others to protect them against being infected by respiratory infections. Also, the construction engineers and the farmers, they can use this respirator to protect them from inhaling the polluted air. This respirator, it can be modified for aesthetic inhalation to prevent them from inhaling polluted air. Not forgetting that this respirator is simple and can be and is portable.
Noella, how do we target our customers?
Great percentage of our
Noella, how do we target our customers?
Great percentage of the revenue will occur from the sales of the device, B2C covering 60%, including selling to hospitals, industries, and any other client who might be in need of the homemade respirator. B2B covering 40%, which means selling to the retailers who resell to the final consumers. A profit of 20% margin will be recognized on selling one product to the final consumers and 15% on selling to the retailers.
For the past 7 months, up to 10 prototypes have been produced and have undergone trials and testings on the safety and efficiency in cleaning the air.
And how much have we achieved?
So far, we have achieved the 10 prototypes. They are safe and efficient for use, and they are efficient in cleaning the air. intend on raising 2,000 USD through crowdfunding, and we are in the process of partnering with local farmers, hospitals such as Kemri in Kilifi, and construction buildings.
As a united and focused team, we will achieve our goals.
We are a team of 4 girls whose main interests are in
Production, marketing, and networking for investors.
Most of our free time is dedicated towards building a strong startup to make it firm and stable. I'm Maida Shaban, the CEO and the founder of the Homemade Respirator.
I, Cassandra Muthoni, the marketing manager.
I know Ola Josephine, the financial leader.
and I have been your production manager, Latifa Musa.
The